Ed, Tom, Matt, did you kick your inaccurate clones out? And what did you do to Ed, Tom, Matt, and Tor? Well, basically, I kicked them out. Yeah, we kicked them out because they're not accurates. Oh! Ed, Tom, and Matt, how dare you, the three Eddsworld crew, kick both of your inaccurate clones out? Just because they look so inaccurate doesn't mean they got the hoodie color wrong. And because they had no idea. Isn't that right, Mark? Yeah, I agree with Eddsworld. Who was supposed to be here? Huh? Shut up, or you're fired. Actually, he's fired or not. Bruh. And you know what? Come on, guys, let's get out of here. I gotta go, at least. No, you can't! Hey, get your butts back here! Yeah, we're gonna give you a concussion for this. No! What are you doing? No! Ed, no! Whoa! No! Take this! Ha! Yeah! No! Get back! Get out! No! Get out! I said get out! Get out! Okay. Oh! We're on track! No! Oh my god! The living room is on fire! We must get out of here at once! Okay, class. So today we're gonna talk about Wait a second. What happened to Ed? Oh, he just got beaten up. Wow, you guys look so canon. I like it. Plus, your hairs look canon. But what happened to Ed? Oh, he just got beaten up. Sounds like a yes to me. I was surrounded by America because I'm a teacher, you know. He says, allow me to explain. I'm so done with this. Tom, did you break the window? Yes, I did. Guys, we're putting a stop to your thieving. Oh yeah? And what army? This. Hey, I didn't say I could talk. Hey, I didn't say you could say anything. Now shut the heck up before I punch you in the face. Oh, what's wrong? Patrick, or Paul, whatever your name is. Are you getting scared? You must be thinking you're pretty funny. You're trying to defeat my comrades. How dare you? You must pay for all Avengers! Yeah, get up, comrade! I'm gonna kill the crap out of you if you don't shut the frick up. So shut up now! Be quiet or I'll kill you!